Good afternoon, everyone. This is John Cernuska with MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to walk through a 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro model, brand new, just out of the shrink wrap. The Dauntless Pro model is going to come with some nice options that would normally be an option on the standard model, but with the Pro you get the power pole shallow water anchor that you see off to the port aft side here, and also the half tower station so you can operate and run the boat from up top. You also have a jack plate here that will allow you to lift the Mercury 400 horsepower Verado up and down vertically without losing any angle of thrust. Moving forward, you'll see some nice aft seating with storage underneath. There's a live well in the center there. You also have a Yeti cooler on this particular model. Leaning post. Step-in console with porta potty, dockside pump out. Another picture of the half tower here. Nice sea deck on top of the console. Handrails. Nice forward seating, of course. Fishing rod storage and other storage underneath the seats. Those backrests pop up so you can lounge very comfortably. Live well under that cushion there, that seat cushion. Cup holders right into the rails there. The Dauntless Pro also gives you the motor guide trolling package, 24 volt with remote. So if you'd like more information on this 24 Dauntless Pro or any other boat here in Fort Myers, please reach us at 239-481-820. Again, this is John Cernuska. Thanks for watching.